In this video, we're going to tell you about how to create an account in EmerAPI system. Every digital asset in EmerAPI system is bound to a particular address. Digital assets are DPO digital passports, EmerDNS domain names, cryptographic data of EmerSSL and EmerSSH systems, eNumer records, anti-fake assets, etc. Assets are managed by using a private key. That kind of secret byte sequence. The private key is created on the basis of a master password. Then, a public key is created on the basis of the private key. And the address is created from the public key. Neither the private key nor the master password can be found out, even if the public key is known. Master password is very important, only it can help you to restore the information. For example, someone has deleted all your files on your computer, or your computer has burnt out and can't be fixed. You can buy a new one, or not new. Enter the master password and all your information will be restored completely. Master password won't be stored electronically. Therefore, you need to take care about its qualitative storage. How to store the master password will be explained in the second part of this video. The private key will be stored on your computer, and for its protection, it will be encoded by using a password called user password. You have to enter the user password each time you use the program. If you forgot or lost the user password, private or public key, the master password will help you to restore access to the information. If you don't want to depend on any internet servers or other people, if you want all your assets belonging only to you, you must keep all the passwords and all the secret information on your computer. All the cryptographic operations must also be performed on your computer only. EmerAPI KeyKeeper is ready to help you do all these things. It's a cryptographic keykeeper program. To start using this program, you need first to download it. The download links are available on the EmerAPI and SourceForge sites. After having accessed the site, click on the link that corresponds to your operating system. You can compile the program by yourself from the source codes which you can download from GitHub. The versions for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux are available. Appearance and use are almost the same. In this video, we will look at the Windows version. Okay, so you've downloaded the program file and placed it in such a place from which to run that is convenient to you. Then let's launch it. The program immediately suggests creating the master password. Click Yes. The window Master Password Configuration Wizard opens. If you have already created the master password before and now just want to restore access to your assets, choose I have my master password created before. If you want to create your own master password, you need to create one the system will estimate at 30 or more numbers. And we create a new master password. Click Next. Here we are offered to choose a type of master password. We choose Standard 12 words BIP32 master password and click Next. The list of 12 words appears. This is our master password. In the next window, we need to enter it using the keyboard to make sure there are no mistakes. Do not copy and paste, but type all 12 words, because the master password should not be visible electronically. In the first part, it was mentioned about the importance of the master password. It is time to tell you about a qualitative password storage. There are two main password storage requirements. It should not be lost, and other people should not be able to get the password. Here's also some advice. Number 1, be sure to keep your password in different places. Make sure you don't lose all your copies in a fire or theft. Number 2, it is advisable not to store the password as a whole. It is better to store its parts in different places. Number 3, if you store a part of the password somewhere, it is advisable to seal it up, so as there will be no traces of the compromising information. For example, put it in an envelope and seal it up. In this case, if you find out that someone opens it, you could take action. There are other ways to protect information. You can use an advice from a specialist, or come up with your own version of storage if it is reliable enough. I'll share with you my method. I make 6 copies and store them in different places. Let's continue the procedure. Click Next and go to the next window where you need to type the password. Don't forget to put spaces between the words. To help you do it faster, the program will offer you the variations of the words. This will significantly reduce the time it takes to enter all 12 words. If everything is right, the button Next will be available and we click on it. And the last thing for today is to come up with a user password. We need to create such a password, which you could easily remember, because you'll enter it very often. Don't use words from the dictionary. It is better to use letters of a different case, add symbols and numbers. The system won't allow you to set a very simple password because it is not secure. We need to come up with one the system will estimate as at least 20 points. Click Show Password for convenience. Okay, so let's enter the password. Both words are written with mistakes. 1. The first letter is not capital. There are numbers and 2 symbols. It would be difficult to determine this password by a dictionary attack and very easy to remember. 4 with mixed letters and the last capital letter. 2 asterisks between 2 spaces and timer with double M. This password is more complex than the minimum required. You can set the password that's shorter and more convenient for you. You can add symbols, numbers, use different registers. You can also use national symbols, Russian letters, Chinese hieroglyphs, etc. Or you can use the password generator and generate secure passwords of different kinds and complexity. Okay, the system has approved our password. Click Next. You can pass one more wizard for online registration. This is needed if you use the system for anti-fake. This registration then must be performed on the anti-fake server, or if you want to get a bonus from the server. In this case, 1/100th Emer coin will be credited after online registration on the EmerAPI server. This number of coins is enough to register 5 large digital assets, for example, Emer SSH records, for up to 10 years, or register up to 50 small records, for example, Emer DNS, DPO, and other, for a shorter period.